Amaplazi, isitolo, isibhedlela, isikole, imizi yomxhaso kanye nemizi ezodayiswa ezinye zezinto zokwakhiwa eNkosi City. Izakhamuzi ziwuthakasele kakhulu lo mklamo.
Nkosi City development will assist a great deal in young people because if you take a look at the challenges that young people are facing, all of them stems from unemployment. And once the project kickstarts, young people will have employment.
But youth unemployment, women are unemployed, crime rate is very high. So we are very much happy about this project.
Unobhala wenhlangano iNkosi City Community Property Association uyathemba ukuthi loluhlelo luzoqala kulezi nyanga ezimbalwa ezizayo.
I'm very quite sure that the project will kickstart so very soon because government has committed itself as well as the city of Mbombela, but the community is awaiting because you can say theory, but at the end of the day, we want to see the project being implemented practically.
Loluhlelo luzosiza ukulwa nenhlupheko, ukuntula kwemsebenzi, ubugebengu kanye nesidakamizwa.
The total development cost is 8.3 billion, of which the government land parcels make up 4.4 billion, infrastructure 1.2 billion, and the private land parcels 2.7 billion. It impacts on roughly 120,000 households, which make up roughly 500 to 600,000 people, and according to our market study, creates roughly 15,000 job opportunities.
Lwenziwa ngokubambisana phakathi kwahulumeni, inhlangano yomphakathi CPA kanye nabakhi iDovetail.